Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect Printful to your Squarespace store. So let's get right into it. Now you can connect Printful in a couple of ways. You can do it through the settings by doing this. You can just go here and then go into third-party tools. And if you go to connected accounts, go connect account. I'm pretty sure you can find Printful somewhere here. And it looks like I was mistaken. I seem to remember it being there. You might find a Printful extension here. So if I search for Printful, there you go. You have Custom Merch by Printful. However, I have another preferred method. And that method is by going into products and services, going into products. And as you can see here, we can go and add a product. If we go into custom merch, the Printful integration is shown here. You can very easily install it through here. Just click connect. It's going to open up a new tab. You just need to click allow to connect Printful to your account. It's going to go over into Printful. We'll just click allow all, and I'll select the same Google account that I use for Squarespace for Printful as well. You can create a new account through the email as well if you want. I'll just log in through this. It's going to authenticate. Now you can set up everything that you need to make an account. I'll just click agree and sign up. And now, as you can see, I'll just select the other. How many e-commerce orders do you get per month? I'll select 0. Let's say clothing. And then once that's done, you can just connect the store to Printful. And that's pretty much all you need to do. As you can see, the stores are now connected and you can add products over here through Squarespace. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll be seeing you guys in another video.